question for you.
Yeah.
Who hates cleaning the kitchen? Who hates cleaning with sponges?
Yeah,
I mean, I usually try to use new ones.
Yeah, well, they kind of smell.
Well, if not a new one.
Unless.
Well, hey.
Look what I got. If the idea of cleaning with a sponge makes you want to gag a little because of the smell, hey, you're not alone. There's a new tool by Lunatec that claims to clean your dishes and kitchen surfaces, but it does not stay damp or stink even after multiple uses.
So it says. Now our producer Lindsay, she's one of those people who just cannot deal with the sponge, so she put the Lunatec Odor-Free Dishcloth to the bargain or bust test. Check it out.
One of my least favorite chores is cleaning the kitchen, especially washing dishes by hand. I own a dishwasher, but some things just can't go in there. The most common items people use to clean their kitchen are sponges or washcloths, which brings me to the reason why I hate this chore. Washcloths and sponges can get smelly, damp, and gross over time. Lunatec has created a product that's designed to efficiently clean dishes and surfaces, plus doesn't stay damp or stink over time. The Lunatec Odor-Free Dishcloth. Sponges and cotton dish rags get smelly because they don't dry, allowing bacteria to grow, causing odors. Lunatec's odor-free dishcloth claims to stay odor-free because the material dries so fast that bacteria doesn't have time to grow. Not to mention, you don't need to run it through the wash like a normal washcloth. So, I'll be using the Lunatec dishcloth to clean my dishes and kitchen surfaces. I started by cleaning the surfaces in my kitchen. The sink was the first to get clean. I put some dish soap in the sink, rinsed it with hot water, and used the Lunatec dishcloth to get rid of any food and grime left behind. Unlike a sponge or dishcloth, Lunatec is rougher to the touch. It took me a little while to get used to the texture of Lunatec, but I did like how the fibers helped me get rid of the food particles hanging on the sides of the sink. Once I was done scrubbing, I rinsed out the sink and dried it off with a towel. The sink's looking great, but we're not done yet. It's time to move on to the stove. The stove is covered in grease and other food. So I rinsed the Lunatec dishcloth with water and started cleaning the stovetop. I noticed when cleaning surfaces, just like a sponge, the Lunatec dishcloth leaves a lot of moisture behind. So if you don't have time to wait for the surface to dry, you will have to use a towel to wipe things down afterward, like I did. Still, I was happy with the results of the clean stovetop. Finally, it was time to clean my cast iron pan. I love cooking with cast iron, but the only downside is they can only be cleaned by hand with special tools. Lunatec claims to be one of those tools. Lunatec was fantastic in cleaning the cast iron pan. Unlike the flimsy metal scrubbies required to clean cast iron that I normally use, Lunatec was sturdy and helped me reach every nook and cranny. Plus, after looking at it, there was no damage to the pan after using the Lunatec dishcloth. Now after all that cleaning, is the Lunatec easy to clean off? Will it dry after 15 minutes? And most importantly, will it stink? I easily rinsed off any leftover food and grime on the dishcloth and hung Lunatec on the faucet to dry. Even though there were a few stains left over on the Lunatec dishcloth, I easily rinsed off any leftover food and grime. While the Lunatec dishcloth wasn't completely dry after 15 minutes like the product claimed, it did stop dripping after that amount of time. I checked on it again after an hour, and the dishcloth was completely dry. Plus, doing a smell test, didn't really stink. I enjoyed using the Lunatec dishcloth, but I can't say this product has necessarily changed my attitude towards cleaning the kitchen. Don't get me wrong, I'm still going to put any dishes I can in the dishwasher, but for all those bigger pots and pans and hand wash only items, I'll be using the Lunatec dishcloth. And with a 4-pack costing less than $10, I'm going to call the Lunatec Odor-Free Dishcloth a bargain.
And looky here, we have Lindsay's actual Lunatec Odor-Free Dishcloth, a new one, and one she's been using for weeks. She says she's been using it since Christmas.
She says we have to smell it.
Because it does say it'll be odor-free. Well, this is the new one, so this smells like absolutely nothing. Uh-oh.
I mean, it's...
No,
like,
my goodness.
It doesn't smell horrible, but...
No, hardly anything there. Taste it. A little bit, yep.
Lick it, Todd.
No. Once again, you can get a 4-pack of the Lunatec Odor-Free Dishcloths on Amazon for just $9. You can learn more at lunatecgear.com.